Hello everyone. In this video, I will be comparing two powerful tools for personal knowledge management, Logseq and RemNote. I will guide you through their key features and help you decide which one works best for you. So Logseq is an open source knowledge management tool built on a local graph-based system. So as you can see, this one is very user-friendly and uses their graph-based system. And you can check out their website. They have their official docs, so you can get a good idea on how it works. So on the other hand, RemNote is a tool that focuses heavily on combining note taking and spaced repetition. It's perfect if you want to study and retain information over time. Logseq allows you to uh, create simple hierarchical notes which are easy to navigate. Its major strength is its ability to connect your thoughts through backlinks and tags. Right? So they have tools for academics, students, writers, project managers, and even developers. It also has support for Markdown and allows you to create daily journals, task lists, and more. RemNote, however, shines with its ability to create flashcards directly from your notes. You can easily turn any concept into a flashcard and review them through a spaced repetition system. Plus, it integrates well with your learning process by helping you retain knowledge long term. Logseq's interface is minimalist, which might appeal to those who prefer a clean, distraction-free workspace. But there is a bit of learning curve, especially with its graph-based system. RemNote, on the other hand, is more beginner-friendly, as you can see from the interface here, and you can make PDF into cards, YouTube to cards. They have uh, app for iOS and Android, and also desktop, and you can easily get a good feel about this tool from the website. So it's straightforward and ideal for active recall-based learning. So when it comes to pricing, let me show you the prices. So Logseq, I believe, is completely free, yes, and it's open source, which makes it a great if you are looking for a no-cost solution. RemNote, on the other hand, has a free version, but with limited features. And the pro version with all the features is $8 per month. And with more AI features built in, it will cost almost $18. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a no-cost open source tool with a focus on personal knowledge management and journaling, Logseq is a great option. But if your goal is to improve your learning and retention through flashcards and spaced repetition, RemNote is an excellent choice.